Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found the Bud Light. Bad girls like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, oh, let's go get it on. The zone, oh, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't get too stiff. Lord, Lord, I love to dance, so give me more, more. Till I can't stand it on the floor, floor. Like it's your last chance. If you want more, more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky.
So, yun po ang pakiusap ng Department of Culture. Pagyamanin niyo po yung bigay ng department. Pag-ingatan niyo po. At naway pakinabangan niyo po ng magkakaroon. Dito lang po po.
Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop. Higher than any other. Higher than any other. Higher than any other. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop, 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time.
Blessing po sa bayan ng Rizal, lalo na po sa pamumuno po bilang punong bayan na sa pagkataong ito, ang napiling pinaglagyan ay ang bayan ng Rizal sa Barangay Manood po, na sana ay pag-ingatan namin ang lahat ng biyayang ito na minsan po biyaya sa ating mga katutubong mga yan.
Higher than any other.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you find it happens all the time.
Well, unang-una Rod, no, ngayon ko lang ito talaga nakita. At natutuwa ako dahil naniniwala ako na ito ay magpapabilis ng daloy ng pagbaba ng produkto galing sa bundok ng ating katutubo.
Ito ay isang pagbibigay din ng empowerment sa kanila. Ito ang yung bang proyekto ito na tramline, pero ang proyekto nito talaga, ang deeper meaning nito ay pagbibigay kilala sa pwedeng maging umangat ang antas ng pamumuhay ng ating mga katubo, na pag binigyan mo sila ng ganitong pagkakataon, magkakaroon sila ng inspirasyon na magtanim ng mas marami, umani ng mas marami, at kikita sila ng mas marami para sa kanilang pamilya, sa kanilang sa angat ng kanilang economic status.
Maraming salamat, Governor. Mabuhay ka.
Salamat po.